Hi dear children, you are going to do this picture today so that you can take the watercolor box and everything. Start with the pencil outline. See a grass I have drawing, that one you can draw likewise you can draw it. See, first of all you can take a screenshot that picture and then see and draw this grass. Otherwise follow this video. Okay, just I have to draw with pencil. Then I am going to give the overlap the pencil line with the black color sketch. With the black color sketch, if you given means the picture will show attractive. Now the border line also give darkness. Neatly you have to do it. Whatever picture you drawing, you can give the border line. Now see that center line I have drawn with the green color sketch. Green color sketch pen. Okay, afterwards you can rub the erase with the eraser the pencil lines because going to give the color. Now I took the green color and given for this leaf. For the leaf all the one you can take the watercolor box and little water you can add and mix the color nicely, and with index finger you can use it. No need to thumb finger very big size will come, so that you can use the index finger and mix the color and give nicely the instead of the leaf you can give. Now the dot for that flower. See, I have took the red color and giving the flower petals. You can take red color, otherwise dark red, both also you can lightly touch it and give it. Then only the colors will come double shade. Okay, this coloring over, watercolor over. Now you take the green color crayons and give the grasses this color. Likewise you can complete the color nicely, and then blue color take it and give the edges with blue color shading. This is will attract the picture nicely and is visible very looking fair like a painting. Okay, see all the area just lightly give it, that's all enough. With your parents help, children, you can do this. For taking the watercolor and water everything you can do nicely. Okay, thank you dear children. Do best and send me in WhatsApp.